Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicole Concilio and welcome to Vlogmas. So I just took a shower and I'm gonna be doing my hair. I don't really wash my hair that much during the week. I'll usually like style it and get it done, and then like I'll have it throughout the week, and then like either Friday or Saturday I'll wash it again, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair. I don't really know what I want to do with it just yet. This is the T3 blow dryer. It says Curlux, but honestly you guys, I'm not really sure if I like this. Like my Dyson broke and I tried to like email them and talk to customer service and all this other shit, and nothing happened. It only broke after like 6 months, so I feel like it totally should have been under warranty. I even tried tagging them on Instagram because like sometimes, you know, that works. If I'm just like, hey Dyson, you're not answering my emails, like, you know. I don't really know if I like this blow dryer because sometimes it shuts off. I don't know if it's like a safety feature. I don't know if there's a way to turn that off. But yeah, just gonna blow dry my hair now. Oh, I also forgot to say before people freak out on me, yes, I used the heat protectant. Yes, I used a frizz spray. And yes, I used a curl styling thing from Olaplex. So suck it. All right, you guys, so tonight, my best friend Chelsea and I are going to Manny's party. Okay, you guys, so this is our makeup for the event. Look at Aunt Shells. She's not really my aunt, you guys. I just call her Aunt Shells because she's an aunt to my dogs. But yeah, we're gonna head on over now to Manny's party. It's actually pretty close to my house, so I'm really excited about that. So let's go. Let's go. Got Build-A-Bear to come here to the event, and we're gonna be making bears and donating them to Toys for Tots. It's amazing.
How are you? Perfect. Go ahead and sit right there on that pedal right there.
Event, my Morphe Brushes Manny event, building Build-A-Bears for people.
I love it.
Toys for Tots and for the LGBT Center in Los Angeles.
A mirror holder and a light. Oh, come on.
Guys, so we just got home from Manny's event. It was so amazing, Manny. I'm so proud of you. I cannot wait to use this palette. I'm actually going to be doing a first impressions makeup tutorial with it, so I'm excited about that, you guys, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, Vlogmas 3, but I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.